Okay, so this is our video demonstration for our Project Chicken game. This is the main menu. You have two options here. You can either play single player or multiplayer mode. When you click single player, you can now select your role. So you can either be the chicken or the car sender. When you select your role, you're then able to select the type of AI that you'd like to play against. You can either play against a randomized AI, a probability-based AI, or a neural net-based AI. And you also have these options if you'd like to play as the car sender. Um, and now I'm going to demonstrate the multiplayer mode. So I'm going to go ahead and create a game. When I create a game, the game code is displayed to me and I can tell my friend to join the game based on the game code. So now I'm going to show Amon's screen. He's going to click multiplayer. He's going to join game, and he's now able to see my game over the local network. He's going to click that, and now I'm going to select my role. I'm going to be the chicken. And when I select my role, he will always take the opposing role. So you can see here my role is chicken, and when I show Am on screen, his role is car sender. So now I'm going to demonstrate the moves a chicken can make. So a chicken can either go +1, +2, or it can go -1 as long as it's on the second lane or beyond. So I'm going to go into the first lane, and Amon's going to send the car in the second lane. Now I'm going to go two lanes ahead, and he's going to go into uh, the second lane. And now I'm going to go into -1, and Amon's going to send a car into -1 as well. And we're going to demonstrate the car sender winning. So now we're going to demonstrate the chicken winning. So we'll do the same process again here. I'll create the game. Amon's going to join it. I'll select my role. I'll be the chicken again. So the chicken wins after it crosses the 20 lanes. So I'm going to continuously go +2. And Amon's going to send the car into the +1. Amon, I'd like you to go -1 for now. So I'm going to click +1. And Amon, you can click +1 after I click +2, so the sidewalk. And now that's the chicken winning.
Now, to move on from multiplayer, we also have our single player modes like Mohammed mentioned earlier. So we have obviously our two roles. Either you play as the chicken or the car sender. Depending on what role you pick, you'll play against the opposing role. As for the AI, so for example, if you pick chicken, you'll play against a car sender AI. Now, as you can see here, we have three AI modes: randomized AI, probability AI, and neural network AI. Randomized, as its name suggests, is randomized AI. It has a weight, it has a bias towards moving forward, of course, as you want the game to progress. However, it can also move backwards. Our probabilistic based AI sets equal probabilities for moves at the beginning of the game, then adjusts the weights based on the player's moves throughout the game. So the TLDR of that is basically it adapts to your playstyle during the game. Our neural network AI is a step above that. So the more you play the game, the neural network AI will learn based on your specific playstyle, and after every game, it will get better and better. So now to show our randomized AI, we're playing as a chicken versus the AI car center. As you can see here, once Mohammed clicks randomized AI, it automatically puts you into the game without having to wait for another person. And now it's as if you're playing against another person. However, in this case, you're playing against an AI. So once you make a move, as Mohammed will demonstrate now, the AI will make fast memories. As you can see here, the AI won immediately. Now we're going to demonstrate our probability-based AI. Overall, it's the same gameplay. However, the difficulty does ramp up with each mode. So generally, the probability-based AI will get better and better throughout the game. So as you can see here, Mohammed is going to play against probability-based AI now.
Bear in mind, there's 50% chance I might die here. So, okay.
See here. The,
As you can see, the probabilities are adapting. So it's based on the frequencies of moves I'm making. If I'm tending to move +1, it's going to increase the probability of sending a car one lane ahead.
as you can see there, the probability-based AI adjusted its weights and was able to hit Mohammed in that lane, resulting in the AI's win. Now we're going to demonstrate the neural network-based AI. Similar to the probability-based AI, the neural network does get better the more you play against it. However, it takes into account your previous games as well as the moves you're currently making. So now Mohammed will play against the neural network AI. As you can see, it chose the first lane, and obviously it's a 50% chance. However, the models as shown there trains over the moves that you've done, and we keep a log of all the moves that the player has done against that specific AI. For example, if you're the chicken, it logs those moves and then lets the AI train on them after each game.
And shall we also demonstrate the AI chicken?
Yeah, go for it. So you can also play against an AI as a car sender, where you're sending the cars and the AI responds with its own chicken moves.
So we'll go ahead and play against the randomized AI.
It's largely the same gameplay as before. However, now you are selecting a lane and trying to hit the chicken instead. So you can see here.
Got it straight away.
Yeah. The probability-based AI and the neural network AI also apply for the AI chicken.
Single player, car sender, probability AI. Okay. So I'm gonna assume that the chicken's gonna go down the second lane. Got lucky again. And finally, I'll demonstrate the neural net player. So I'm gonna assume that it's gonna go down the second lane. Okay. I'll assume that it's gonna go down. It's gonna go +2 this time. I'm gonna assume that's gonna go -1. I'm gonna hit +1. I'm gonna hit +1 again.
Here we go. As you can see here in the terminal logs, the AI is training itself after the moves it just done as well. So it knew that Mohammed has a habit of +1 and is now going to incorporate that in its gameplay. Now, let's show the error logging or the error handling.
Yes. So
So what happens with the error handling is whenever a player disconnects prematurely before the game ends, it displays that to the other player and then exits gracefully. So Mohammed's going to create a game now.
whoops. Okay. Create a game. And would you like to join?
Yeah, I'm going to join now. So
Okay. I'll be the chicken.
so I'm going to go into the second lane as a car sender.
Okay. Oh, sorry, I clicked. Now you have to click. Chicken
Okay.
always gets the first move, by the way.
What happens if, say, my game were to crash or my Wi-Fi were meant to go out? Now we'll demonstrate that here. So I'm going to exit the game.
Okay.
And now we see connection disconnect, timeout, and now it exits. So the user knows that if something had happened.
Okay, and I think that is everything.
Yeah. All right. Thank you for viewing our demo. We greatly appreciate it. And have a nice rest of the day. Thank
Thank you
you.
so much.